Norton 360 and McAfee Total Protection are two of the most well-known full-suite security options for families. They go beyond simple antivirus scanning and try to cover the entire digital environment. That includes identity monitoring, password management, parental controls, and protection for multiple devices across a household. But even though they aim to solve similar problems, they feel very different to use. Norton 360 has a more guided and hands-on personality. When you open the dashboard, everything is clearly labeled and easy to understand. It walks you through what is protected and where your attention might be needed. Norton's real-time threat protection is strong and responds quickly to unsafe downloads or suspicious websites. One of the key strengths here is the built-in virtual private network, which can turn on automatically to protect your family's connection on public wireless networks. That helps when kids take laptops to school or when someone works from a cafe. Norton also includes cloud storage for backups, which is helpful for family photos and important documents. The parental controls are well structured and allow you to set screen limits, filter websites, and track usage in a straightforward dashboard. McAfee Total Protection takes the quieter approach. Once it is installed, it blends into the background more than Norton does. It includes the same core protections like antivirus scanning, password management, and identity monitoring, but it focuses on running silently unless something needs immediate attention. One of McAfee's strongest features is its identity protection network. It monitors personal data across many online sources and alerts you if something looks at risk. That is especially useful for households that shop online frequently or use many accounts for work and school. Another helpful feature is network protection for home devices. If your home has smart speakers, game consoles, or connected appliances, McAfee works to secure them in the background. So which one fits a household better? It depends on how much hands-on oversight you want. If you prefer to actively monitor your kids' screen use, understand what is happening on your devices, and have guidance built into the software, Norton 360 may be the better choice. It gives you clearer visibility and strong parental tools. If you prefer protection that stays out of the way and quietly maintains security without frequent reminders, McAfee Total Protection may feel more comfortable. It's easier to forget it's there once it's set up, and that can reduce daily friction. Both are capable and reliable. Norton is structured, visible, and very clear about what it's doing. McAfee is quiet, steady, and focused on staying in the background. A family with younger kids or active supervision needs may feel more supported by Norton. A household with older kids, teens, or adults who simply need steady protection may feel happier with McAfee.